Hello, have you been finding a way to create a tutorial step without creating a video? So here's the solution. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create a step-by-step guide for a tutorial training or anything you want to teach a person. So you just use these techniques without creating a video. It is step-by-step techniques you can use for picture to picture or text to text. So the next thing you have to do is you have to go to this website called Scribe. How? So search Scribe on Google. Click on the first link, scribeout.com. So click on the first link. So once you click on the first link, as you can see, you see turn any process into a step-by-step guide instantly. So I will teach you how this website works now. So follow me. So the first thing you have to do is you have to click on sign in. You have to sign in an account with them. So I will just click on sign in with Google. Remember, you can input the mail manually or you can click on sign in with Google. So I'll just click on sign in with Google. Confirm. So once you sign up with the website, so the next thing you have to do is you have to click on new and create a capture a scribe, create a step-by-step guide. Click on that one. So after you click on step-by-step guide, it will bring you here. So you have to add the scribe extension to your Chrome. So click on add extension. So we have to wait for it to download finished. So once it downloads finish, click here and pin the extension. So after that, the next thing you have to do is you have to go to where you want to the tutorial you want to do. So you have to go there. So maybe I want to create a new gig now. So I want to create a new 5 gigs. So I will just click on here. Click on start capture. So once I click on it, the screen have begin to start capture. So it's like screen recording. So I will just click on create a new gig. So maybe I want to write a gig like I will do Photoshop editing command background remover. The category that fit the gig. So maybe graphic design and image editing. So if there's some category, I'll just click on photo restoring. So product image editing. So click on editing type, background remover, resizing. Okay, let me give my background remover. So file format JPEG, PNG. So maybe there is tag. So maybe the tag is Adobe Photoshop, Photoshop work, Photoshop editing. So once you click on that, click on save and continue. Okay. Save and continue. So I won't take these videos for long. So I will just go and stop this screen recording I'm doing. So click on here, show control. So click on the show control. Click on show control. Click on complete capture. Maybe once I've completed creating this gig, so I'll just click on complete capture. Once I click on it, the AI will load and generate the template with the step-by-step guide. So as you can see, this website this AI has created the title for the step-by-step guide I just created. So it created a gig for Photoshop editing and photo retouching. So let's check how it works. So we said navigate to fiverr.com/user. So this is the link, direct link to create a new gig for Fiverr. So create a new gig. Have you seen it? You see type do. This is when the system mistakenly through. So click do something I'm really good at. Fit. So you say you should click here. Have you seen the box that is show here? So after that, you say type do something, do Photoshop editing, Photoshop retouching, cap lock, and Photoshop editing. So the reason why I'm showing this cap lock is when I was typing and the letters were showing in capital letter. So I have to press cap lock to change it to small letter back. So that's why we wrote cap lock there. So number 7, this one is for the category graphic design and image editing. Have you seen it? So you say you should click on it. Then after that, scroll up and click on metadata. So click here and click on portrait retouching. So and so on like that. So once you have created this step-by-step guide, you just click on this share button and copy the link. So you'll be able to share it to the person you are teaching something on WhatsApp or Facebook or anywhere you prefer. Or you can also send it to them through their emails. So you just input their email here. Once you input it here, you're just able to send it to them. So that's how this thing works. So if you are new to this channel, make sure to subscribe, like, and give me a thumb up, and let me know in the comment section what you learned about this video or what you don't understand. So thank you.